Welcome back to Wellness Wonders. Are you prepared to embark on a journey that will fundamentally change you, even if it requires nothing more than a daily shower in cold water? Get ready to learn a secret that, in addition to energizing your body and improving your mood, can unlock a plethora of other benefits for you. After finishing this video, you will have a better understanding of how 14 days of cold showers can result in a remarkable transformation. This is a journey that you should absolutely go on. So welcome to the world of cold, icy showers. Today, we're going to discuss the remarkable advantages that come with embracing the chill. Get ready to be astounded as we delve into the energizing effects that these revitalizing showers can have on your body, mind, and overall sense of well-being. Benefit number 1, enhanced immune system. Let's get our chilly journey started with the power of cold showers to strengthen our immune systems. White blood cells are the mighty warriors of our immune system, and when our bodies are exposed to cold temperatures, this stimulates the production of more white blood cells. These cells play a critical role in protecting your health by warding off infections caused by pathogens. You can give a significant boost to the power of your immune system and strengthen your body's defenses against illness and infection by taking a cold shower every day for a period of 14 days. Benefit number 2, improved mood and cognitive function. Get ready to embrace a surge of noradrenaline, which is a neurotransmitter that plays an important role in the regulation of mood as well as cognitive function that is induced by taking a cold shower. You will emerge from such a shower feeling invigorated, alert, and mentally sharp as a result of its remarkable ability to increase levels of noradrenaline. Because of this mood-boosting effect, taking a cold shower can be especially helpful for people who are battling anxiety or depression. It provides a way that is both natural and invigorating to lift one's spirits and to improve one's cognitive well-being. Benefit number 3, helps you shed pounds and revs up your metabolism. If increasing the speed of your metabolism or losing a few extra pounds is on your list of well-being goals, then cold showers may become your go-to strategy. Brown fat is a type of fat that, when exposed to cold temperatures, becomes activated. It produces heat and burns calories in order to keep our bodies warm. By making cold showers a regular part of your routine, you can stimulate the production of brown fat, which will in turn rev up your metabolism and make it easier for you to lose weight. Benefit number 4, increased insulin sensitivity. Are you at risk for developing diabetes, or do you already have diabetes? You might find that taking cold showers helps you manage your blood sugar levels in a more natural way. It has been shown that taking cold showers on a regular basis can improve insulin sensitivity, which means that your body will respond more favorably to this vital hormone. By increasing insulin sensitivity, cold showers contribute to improved blood sugar control, which may in turn reduce the risk of diabetes, as well as the complications that are associated with this condition. Benefit number 5, decrease in inflammation and protection against disease. Because of their powerful anti-inflammatory effects, cold showers are an effective treatment for a variety of inflammatory conditions, including autoimmune diseases, arthritis, and tendinitis. In addition, taking a shower in cold water stimulates the activation of antioxidant networks in our bodies, which protects our cells from being damaged and reduces the risk of various diseases, including cancer. Benefit number 6, neuroprotection and sleep-enhancing properties. Get ready to discover the brain-protecting benefits that lie dormant within those invigorating cold showers. Exposure to cold water has been linked to improvements in both the health of the brain and the quality of sleep. The cold causes the release of neuroprotective substances, which helps maintain healthy brain function and lowers the likelihood of developing neurological conditions. In addition, cold showers stimulate autophagy, a process of cellular recycling that aids in the removal of damaged proteins and increases the likelihood of living a longer life. Therefore, take advantage of those refreshingly cool showers to revitalize both your body and your mind. Benefit number 7, decreased stress and improved capacity for quick recovery. Taking a cold shower can help relieve stress and enhance recovery. So let's start taking advantage of those benefits. The cold water helps reduce levels of cortisol, which is a hormone associated with stress. As a result, you will feel less stressed and have a greater ability to relax. Showering with cold water after exercise can help athletes and people who are interested in fitness recover from their workouts more quickly by reducing inflammation, minimizing muscle soreness, and speeding up the healing process. Now for the most important part. How do you incorporate cold showers into your daily routine if you've never done it before? To get started, Modify your typical shower routine so that the temperature of the water gradually becomes cooler. You should begin with the water at a temperature that is comfortable for you, and then slowly lower it during each subsequent shower to give your body time to adjust to the sensation of the cold water. Your goal should be to get to the point where you can take a full cold shower without feeling uncomfortable. It is essential that you pay attention to your body and adjust the length of your cold shower according to the level of comfort you experience. Beginning with shorter durations, such as 30 seconds to 1 minute, and gradually increasing them as your body adjusts to and becomes accustomed to the cold water is the best way to ease into it. In the end, the duration that is best for you will depend on your specific circumstances. Some people may find that taking a cold shower for a shorter amount of time provides them with the same benefits as taking a longer one. Experiment to determine how long of a period of time gives you the most desirable results, which should include feeling invigorated and revitalized without experiencing excessive discomfort or shivering. So are you prepared to set out on this journey that promises to be both invigorating and life-changing? You'll be able to unlock a whole host of benefits for your body, mind, and overall well-being if you accept the chilly challenge of taking cold showers for 14 consecutive days. The invigorating embrace of cold water is where you'll find the key to regaining your vitality and reviving your body. Now that you're armed with this information, you are ready to take the plunge into a world of enhanced immunity, improved mood, a faster metabolism, and many other benefits. In your pursuit of optimum health, you should welcome the invigorating effects that cold showers have on your body. Allow the energizing water to stimulate your senses, revitalize your body, and give you the strength you need to continue on your path to wellness. See you in the next video.